Lesson number 8, Advanced English Conversation Course. Welcome in Inspiring English Academy. Subscribe and share this video. Answer these questions. What is your favorite restaurant? In what language do you order? How often do you eat at a fast food restaurant? Why? Are American fast food chains popular in your homeland? Why? In your native land, did all members of your family eat the evening meal together? Who cooked the food? Who served the food? In your native country, what foods or drinks are associated with weddings, birthdays, funerals? What foods or drinks are associated with holy days or national holidays? Have you ever eaten at a feast? When? What meals remind you of happy times? Have you ever fasted? Why? Were you famished after skipping 2 meals? Does your religion have dietary rules or restrictions? What are they? Has there ever been a famine in your native country? What caused it? Have you ever tried to diet to lose weight? What did you do? Can you name several types of diets? Is your diet restricted in any way by health considerations? How? Do you ever read food labels? Do you have any food allergies? What meals does your family share? Who cooks? Who serves? Does your family share recipes? Which recipe would you like? Would you like to share a favorite recipe? Are you adventurous in seeking out new culinary delights? What is your ideal dinner? Please describe the dishes, the guests, and the location. Subscribe and share this video. Have a happy learning with us.